Hello, my name's Dominic, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2016 16-plate Mini Cooper hatch. Now this is the 5-door model, finished in the stunning and highly desirable Moonwalk grey semi-metallic paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic, especially when the sunshine hits it. Then we're riding on upgrade alloy wheels, which are finished in a lovely sparkle silver. So looking at those are 16-inch multi-spokes. All 4 wheels, they're in nice order throughout, riding on nice tyres. Obviously we've got a contrasting black roof, black mirror caps, you've got gloss black detailing within the centre grille, and then you've got nice bright silver chrome accents as well. So around the silver grille, on your headlamps, tail lamp surrounds, your grab handles. So it does have a very nice sort of contrast to the exterior. But looking around the car, it's in nice order throughout. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. This is a very nice example indeed. Looking through to the boot, we've got our parcel shelf present. Obviously split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Lots of storage space in the bottom there. And then looking through to the bottom, you've also got your tyre inflation kit as well as your locking wheel nut. But very nice cars, cheap on road tax, cheap on running costs, very popular amongst newer drivers. The 5 doors are quite rare to find, as most of them were the 3-door variants. So looking through to the back first, very nice and easy access. Obviously you've got 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. But the seats themselves, they're in nice order, so no signs of any sort of rips, tears, discoloration, stains. You've got a nice cup holder in the centre there as well. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they don't look like they've been kicked and scratched. And then looking through to the driver's seat, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. But looking at the bolsters, they're in absolutely fantastic order. So is the seat base. The seats are fully adjustable. Looking at the door cards then, you've got your 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, electric mirrors, central locking, and then jumping inside, getting out of the elements. We'll scooch the seat back all the way, just so you can get a full appreciation of that lovely cabin. So, inside, nice detailing. We've got the factory option for the haze grey detailing in there. Leather upholstered steering wheel, which feels fantastic in the hand. We've got automatic wipers, onboard computer, automatic lights are found just down there. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle is a low mileage example, so it's only covered 32,502 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've almost got a full tank of fuel in here as well. That's quite expensive at the moment. Coming through to the centre display, you get this nice sort of radio, so clicking through you've got your vehicle information, vehicle status, so you've actually got your service requirements and service history found on the onboard computer there. So we've got a service for 18, 19 and 20. Pressing back through, then you've also got your Multimedia Radio, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels, telephone, services and settings as well. The whole system very nice and easy to manoeuvre. You've got your digital dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Air conditioning, heated front screen on this one as well, which comes in handy on those colder mornings. Traction control, automatic stop start, a 12-volt power outlet, aux, USB. The vehicle is supplied with both keys, 6-speed manual transmission. These cars drive absolutely fantastic. It's a delight going up and down the gearbox. Very easy cars to drive. Clutch is very forgiving. We've got the Bookpack with the vehicle as well. So all the owner's manuals are found within there. But a nice car, so doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell of any pets. If you'd like anything further on the car, If you like a personalised video, more images, if you like finance quotes, please do get in touch, as we can happily help you with those. So on sale, there's myself, Dominic, there's both of my colleagues, Graham and Lee, so any one of us would happily help you. But thank you for watching. Please do get in touch on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.